Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain the third implementation class of the list interface, and it is a vector. So vector is defined in the researchable growable array data structure. It's the same as array list. You can insert the duplicates value, and you can also add the null value. And insertion order preserve means in which order you are going to store your object. In that order you get the objects, and you can store any objects in the vector. And vector is also implements the serializable, clonable, and random access. But there is slight difference as compared to the array list. Vectors are methods. All the methods are synchronized. Means it's a thread set. So only one time, only one thread can access or modify the object. So there's only one difference between array list and vector, and it's same like when we go for the a vector, then it's the best choice for the retrieval, means getting the value. Now the vector is a legacy classes. So legacy means it's a old classes, old generation. So uh, and as we discussed that there's only one difference vector. It's vector objects are threads. And in the vectors it's have the four constructor. First one with the default capacity is a 10, and it will increase when we max out the vectors, and it's increase in formula 2 into current capacity. So if our array is max up to 10, then it will increase in the 20 and 30, and it's up to like 40. So if you want to define the initial capacity is then we can define with the initial capacity constructor. So we can pass our own data size, data like array size in over there. And if you want to define like initial capacity with the incremental capacity, means if you define the initial capacity 5 and incremental capacity is 5, so whenever we max out the 5 size of array, then it will simply increase the next simply add the 5. So the next the capacity of the vector is going to be 10, and the next 15, the next 20. So it depends on our requirement. And we also convert any collections objects into vector. So there are only two methods in a vectors: the add elements and the remove all elements. So it's a legacy classes, so you can see that it's the methods the long name, but in the new, in the like array list or linked list, it's add or remove. So I hope this video can help you to understand what is vectors and what is the main difference between vector and array list. So see you in the next one.